Yo, what's good, Ibra? Welcome. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna do that highlight. I've been messing with some settings. Chat highlights. The whole chat's gonna be highlighted if I do that. It kind of look cool though. What's minimized? All right, try again. There he is, Trainer. Let's go. Yeah, no, I'm turning off those highlights. I think they're stupid. We tried. We tried. Dude, my Spotify bot is saying my um token is invalid. Also, I recall Expo's been sending oh by uh-oh. Do any of you guys have Android? Oh, July 20th. Okay, we're good for now, but barely. Basically, push notifications are going to end for Android on July 20th, so I need to do something by then. What's good, lazy developer? How you doing? Okay, let me see if I can get a new auth token. I don't know what I need to do for that. Dashboard. There's my bot. Hmm. Invalid access token. Very interesting. So this is unrelated to the app, obviously, but my Spotify that I use to that we queue up music with is being annoying. Let me look at the environment variables. I don't even know. I don't even know where it gets that. Um, Scripts refresh. Refresh. I wonder if I don't know. All right, I rotated the token. I don't know what that does for me, but I think I need a new refresh token, and I don't know where the hell to get that. I probably have to make a request for it, which I don't feel like doing right now. Trano, yeah, you got to run with it. Someone has to run with it. Who knows? That guy's still fapping somewhere. That guy, he's still going. Spotify off. So I guess I probably have to. Oh, so Spotify off. Oh, you're the worst. Authorization code expired. Sorry, I know you can't see this because I'm using like my freaking tokens and such. So I'm trying to not expose them. All right, here we go, baby. Oh, you're the worst. Authorization code expired. What does that mean? It's not my client's secret. It's my authorization code. I don't know what the hell an authorization code is. I got nothing on that. Authorization code. Author. I'm gonna spend 2 more minutes on this. Spotify authorization code flow. Request user authorization. I wonder if I wonder if I have that. Um. No, I don't. Damn, that's unfortunate. All right, wish me luck. I'm gonna try a single YOLO. Authorization spot or Spotify. Screw it. I'll just put this on the screen. I don't even give a shit. Um. If we pull this off, we're gonna be geniuses anyway. Docs, the dev bot scripts, NVim, Spotify. Um, what is this called? I'm gonna call it login dot sh Kaparuski paste. Oh damn, that's not bash. Request an access token. Oh, this is so poop. I need an authorization code. So I need to get against their authorization. How could this be? So there's my code. I wonder what this URL, dude, this is probably it. I probably left myself a little hint. Probably left myself a little bit of a hint. And I bet you it just wants the client secret somewhere in there. I don't know what in the hell that code that is. Spotify off. What's up, Lakey? Authorization code expired. Oh. Oh, we're about to cook this goose, guys. Watch this. We're about to cook this goose. I bet you I get this to work right here. I don't know how I remembered this. Right? Oh, I thought I had it. Guys, I thought I had it. How do I get the code? You consider it, you consider what a mistake? What time is it? Alright, we're just gonna lose Spotify. I don't know what to say. The bot is broken. I don't know how to get this code. How do I get the code? Oh, being out while it's hot. Yeah, dude. I've been there a time or two. Been there a time or two. Dude, so how do I get this code? I need a code. Can someone give me a code? Exchange for an access token. By the way, we got a new user this morning. Damn, I'm not seeing the code. I don't remember. I think I gotta maybe make the code myself. Guys, we're doomed. We're doomed. I don't know how to get the code back. I think it's this. Here, let me share. Where are you? I think the code that I need. Oh, what the hell, dude? Look at my freaking camera. I'll see if I can just add this in, add existing. And it's almost perfect. I gotta rotate it. Then I need to 250 and 250. All right, that's about as good as we're gonna get. All right, 15 day stream streak. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Hey guys, I gotta do a test. Can somebody? This is a great question. Can somebody who doesn't follow me? I want to see if you guys hear the follow noise, because I don't think you guys used to hear the animation noise, but I need someone to follow me to test it. You can unfollow and follow. That might work. Or with a second account. Oh shit! What'd I just do? What's good, by the way, Toxic? Video capture device. Transform. Rotate. Dude, guys, in OAuth Flow, how are you supposed to get that freaking return the token or the or a code? I need like a return code. I suppose I should just read this. Request authorization. Here it is in freaking Express, bro. What about Bash? Like, what are we doing in this for? But I guess we can maybe convert it over. Um, okay, I'm gonna try to YOLO this, guys. Get ready for the big YOLO. We're gonna try to YOLO this. Authorize client ID. And I don't know what the scope is. Oh, you followed? I didn't even see it. It happened too quick. You were able to hear it go doo doo. Was it an adequate volume or did it sound kind of weird? Because for some reason when I when I was testing it, it goes through OBS but not out of my speakers, so I couldn't test the volume. Because I hid some goodies. I hid a noise in there when somebody subscribes. That's really why I'm interested. When somebody subscribes, I added a little audio. A tiny bit loud, but not too bad. Okay, well, we can drop it a touch. Okay, I dropped it a touch, so we'll see what happens next time someone does it. Yeah, I guess it probably was pretty loud now that I think about it. There's another follow. Let's go. Okay. How was the volume on that one? Still too loud or good? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Perfect. Thanks for the follow, by the way. Guys, I want to save. I want to save. Okay, scopes. I want my Spotify to work. Okay. Perfect. Spotify scopes. I do not want to be spending time on this. What's my scope, dude? What's my scope? Scopes. Where is it? Okay, what scope are you? Modify playback state. Okay. It's a goofy thing, but let's try it. And guys, if this works, we're geniuses. Scope redirect URI. Redirect URI. Redirect URI. Hopefully this is hopefully that's okay. Equals. Boom. And oh, I don't even care. I literally don't even care. I just want this to work, and I don't want people to be looking at me for like the next 15 minutes without seeing anything I'm doing. I'll just recycle it once I figure out this workflow off screen. If someone changes my song, so be it. What's next? Okay, and then state. I don't know what state is, so wish me luck on that one. State is generate random 16 character string. You can't make this stuff up, man. You literally can't make this stuff up. The hell is state? So it looks like I already have this URL documented. So this should be interesting. This should be very interesting. Okay, fine. Let me just put this in the browser. Oh, okay. So let me put it in here. Response type must be code or token. Response type. Yeah. Response type code. Response type code. And response type equals code. All right. I got back the code, dude. I don't know what to tell anybody. It gives me the code. I got a full-blown code sitting here. A full-blown code sitting here. As beautiful as a code can get. And then I pop this code here. It is a different code. It is a different code. I guess it is. Okay. Come on, baby. Bring it home. Bring it home. Let's go, guys. They thought it was impossible. They thought it was impossible. Let's bring it home, guys. Refresh. So now access token is refresh token. So here's my refresh token. God, that feels good, guys. That feels good. Token equals. Okay. I don't think I need anything else, so I should be able to now Ready? Moment of truth. One's in the chat if this is gonna work. NPM run, start. Let's go. Damn you. Why did you do this to me? Why did you do this to me? Okay, I don't know what this is. What do I do? What is this thing? So this is good. This is a good sign. I just don't know what it means yet. I probably need to go to Spotify now and use this somewhere. Script controller token. Refreshing token. Ah, so it goes to .spotify token. NPM run start. I'm just so heartbroken. I'm literally just I'm just destroyed. Why? Why? We just did everything. What is wrong with you? We literally just did everything. Do I hard code the token? No. What did I do to deserve this? Is it past 5 o'clock? It's 5 o'clock on the nose. This is horrible, horrible, horrible. Do we get to that log? You know what? NPM run build. Don't I have to build this now? No. We're going to try it anyway, but I can't see why we would need to. NPM run build. NPX. I guess I just gotta install. NPM install tsub. So close to victory. So close to victory. I do not want to be doing this. You're literally the most evil thing I've ever seen. Invalid access token. I'll give you an invalid access token. Spotify token. Looks good to me. Then you're just evil. That's all I can say. Then you're evil. That's all I can say. Refresh access. Oops. So where does it try to connect? Okay, let me just try something. Um, npm run star. Oh crap! Now I gotta freaking build it. I guess it's just npm run build. Okay. Where are you hitting that to where you're upset? Guys, it wasn't my Spotify. That's gut wrenching. It wasn't my Spotify. Guarantee it was this. It wasn't my Spotify. It's this. I don't know what it is. I literally have no idea. Where, like, can I get a better log than this piece of shit? Like, can you tell me where we're invalid token, trigger, uncaught promises? Says TwitchPod starting. That counts for something. Where does it say that? Twitch bot starting. So we get that far. And then we run even better review. Yup. Unless it's in here. I mean, it's probably that. It is that. I can't believe we just figured out how to freaking restart. Um, refresh the Spotify token for nothing. It's a good use of time. That was a really good use of time. Um. All right. Well, for whatever reason, my Twitch account is not happy anymore, which I can fix that one. Lieutenant, how we doing, by the way? MacBook confirmed. I can fix this one, I think. I just need to go to Mr. Mono's GitHub and follow his instructions. Give me 2 seconds while I fill this out. Token gen. Client ID. Copy. Paste. Go. Okay, I've got a new OAuth token. Let's see if this works. That'd be such a waste of time if this was what the problem was. And let's just hope that's what the problem is. That's what the freaking problem was. Oh my god, that took 4 seconds. That literally took 4 seconds. Okay, we're still back. Okay, we're still back. On to the fun stuff. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Can someone queue up a song, see if it works? Because I probably just absolutely botched my Spotify in the process. All right. You guys remember what we were working on? Pub sub. Pub sub. So here is where we left off on the server. Add connection. What time is it? We burned. How long have I been streaming for? Burned 40 minutes doing that. Absolutely tragic. Then what if I told you my mouse just died? We're in shambles, guys. We're in shambles. Hold on, let me get a USB cable. All right, I have to plug this thing in somehow. Old school USB, so give me a sec. I have one of those CalDigit docks, and let's just say there's not a single port available. I just filled the very last one. All right, guys, welcome in. That was a 40-second exercise in sucking. But we are officially back. What are we working on today? Good question. We are working on pub sub between the client and the server. So long story short, over here you see my phone. We are working on sending my phone cool updates when the server wants to. So we're using WebSockets to do so. So here we go. This is so if we let's try to reorient ourselves how we do this. Yes. Okay, so here we go. To start the app, we say WebSocketService.net. It basically adds the auth middleware, which is dope, and then it adds the connection listener. So here's where we basically define all of the connections. So we're going to create a room for the user, which I think it's just as simple as, actually, I think Akira sent me it yesterday. Discord. Do I have to do the join? That's the next question. Do I have to do socket.join? Yeah, I think so. That's so cool that there's rooms. So token dot. Oh yeah, I already did that down here. So socket.join if user ID. Okay, cool. We should be in a terrible place if we don't have that dude's token at this point. So at this point, they've joined this room. I really think that's it. Then I think we need to try to send this room some data. So let's go to like, I might have already tried. App. Let me see if I have any references to this. Yeah, that's actually looking like I do. Send event to user. There it is. Now we're going to test this out. Hello world, welcome in. Thank you so much for the follow. All right, so this is what we're going to do. Copying from Akira. So we need the user ID, which I have. I wonder if I can ask if it's connected. Can I say if room exists? How do I know if the room exists? Anyway, what are you going to use the WebSocket for? We're using the WebSocket to send a bunch of stuff. But basically we do all these operations behind the scenes, and the client is not waiting for those responses. We respond and then we kick off an event. Then the event does all the stuff. We still want to eventually get some data back. The first case we're going to be doing is if the user gets points. So if we detect that the person earned points, we're going to send them a WebSocket notification, X amount of points earned. And then the client's going to display a little pop-up showing that. What's up, Static? Welcome in. That's the idea. WebSockets. Let's do this. Public static get room user room See, that's interesting. Public static the classic. The classic. What's good? Yeah, Friday, dude. Unbelievable. Public static. What is this? Room exists. This will be cool. And then I'm going to say public static get room key. And this is just simply going to be user ID. No, I think we'll take context. Yaroon, how we doing? Static, is this Java? It's kind of like Java. It's Java script. So it's like a scripting version of Java. But it's basically the same thing. Okay, let's see here. Well, it's like JavaScript. JavaScript's like a subset of Java. JavaScript's like a subset of Java. Java's more powerful, but JavaScript can do a lot of the things that Java does. So like if you're building like lightweight applications, you typically would use like a JavaScript, but if you need something that's more robust, we'll call it, um, you would use actual Java. Just messing, obviously. Hey, did my sub audio go off? Did it say who do you think you are? I am. I don't know if it does it on the Prime sub. Dohan, thank you for hearing me explain the differences between Java and JavaScript and then giving me a Prime sub with calling it based take, by the way. 10 out of 10 performance by the both of us. 10 out of 10 performance by the both of us. I just think that is hilarious. And the only reason I can say that is because I actually once did believe that, or some subset of that, when I was just a boy. Oh, oh, you have JavaScript experience? Perfect. Well, this is a Java job, but they're very similar. You would be a perfect fit. You would be a perfect fit. That's good. That is really good. For what it's with all that said, I do write a lot of my JavaScript in a Java format, as you can see here: class, static, this and that, the other. Okay, so check this out. I'll even do this, guys. Public static um emit context excuse me, message string. We're just doing some testing. So let's do const um if this dot room exists, return. Bruh. Huh. Oh yeah, you typically want to use the four spaces so you can see what you're doing. That's my biggest thing. Uh, I don't really want to pass in the server, but I don't want to just assume it's available. But I might just do that anyway. YOLO. If the room doesn't exist, then return. No, it wouldn't be this.io because it lives over in the like the main. I wonder if it should live here. Doesn't seem like the worst idea. Doesn't seem like the worst idea, does it? Let's go full Java on them then. Um, I don't know if I like that. This is how I do it right now. Yeah, I can do that. How do I don't know how to do a constructor. Um, this dot, bruh. What up, light up? Uh, do you ever copy code from Stack Overflow or change? Of course. More than I write my own code. What do you mean it doesn't exist? Oh, I need a server. Damn it. Yeah, I do mean static, but I thought I could still use the word this even though IO does not exist. What do you mean, bruh? Fine, guys, okay? Fine. Okay, so that's gonna create that. Okay. Now, where does this live? So if I go to app, export, I don't really like doing this, but we're gonna do it anyway. WebSocket service equals. So then I can talk to this. Uh-oh. My boy is upset. What time we got? 5:30. Let me go investigate, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. Thanks for sticking around, by the way. Um the dude's got an earache. Dude's got an earache. Guys, I slept 3 hours last night. 2 of the 3 hours I slept on his floor. Next thing you know, I lost 40 minutes refreshing the wrong auth token. Uh, did my bot go down? Yeah. Okay. So I want to do this. WebSocket service instance. I think I'll call it. Trano, I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy about it, dude. Why not export from my main, the main class? This.io. It's got to live somewhere, doesn't it? I have to store the object somewhere. Yeah, dude, that night was tough. It was a really tough night. I'm gonna pay for it dearly today, but not while I'm streaming. We're good. Your main component should only pass down dependencies. Your init method can receive the HTTP server. It does do that, so it sets the IO on itself. But something has to own the WebSocket server, an instance of this. Oh no, it's static. You're right, dude. Good job. So I can go like this. Wait a minute. So there is no constructor. We're just gonna call this init. Hold on, guys. What in the hell is he doing? Yeah, we're cooking late key. Ugh. Weird start to the day, but we're okay. WebSocket service.init. Public. Boom. There you go. Yes, I do use the QWERTY. So we init here. And now we have it just lives here and it's static. And I'm gonna protect myself singleton style. It's not exactly how you do a singleton, but it's close enough. You should only ever init it once. Absolutely cooked, guys. So this can probably be private. Hour-long walk in the Scorching Stove to get back home. Son, yeah. Dude. Brutal. I've been there, dude. This one probably should go on the bottom. Alright, Donnie, good call out there, by the way. So emit is the only one I care about. Still need to set it. I think we're good, dude. No, I'm an idiot, dude. Damn it, why am I an idiot? I know this is incorrect, but it's a habit, and I like the habit. Well, if it's a static class, the constructor doesn't get called. You have to create a new instance of the class to hit the constructor, which we're just using a static class. So someone's got to call init, then it's going to do all the init stuff, and then we're going to leave emit here. Let's call this emit to I don't know. Let's try that. Let's say emit fire confetti, right? So that's going to be, I do think I want, I don't know. Okay, we're going to get fancy with it. You guys know how we do. You guys know how we do it. What the hell is this? Planned have it WebSocket? What the hell, dude? Test WebSocket. I don't know what any of this stuff is. What's up, Akira? Welcome. You missed 40 minutes of me fighting with the Spotify API to refresh the auth token. Oh, but we refreshed it. It just took 40 minutes. But wait, there's more. But wait, there's more. It was the wrong API key to refresh. It was the wrong API key. So I spent 40 minutes refreshing the freaking wrong key. It was gut-wrenching of a start to the day. Gut-wrenching start to the day. The bot wasn't starting, so I'm like, well, I gotta figure this out. Okay, so we're gonna make an enum. Export enum. Correct. Go see for yourself. Export enum. Web socket event. That's a good name. Invalid, because you know how we do. And then fire confetti. This is our first test. Firing confetti. Oh, no. Now we need a, I like beer. It's like the biggest love-hate relationship a man will ever come across. I wouldn't hate to love beer so much if I didn't have to wake up at 4 a.m. If I could wake up at like 6 a.m., it would be fine. But going to bed at 11 after drinking a couple beers and waking up at 4, it's just not ideal. The old Simpsons reference, I blew it. Okay, so we want by the way, guys, I do believe, I can't say for certain. I cannot say for certain. I believe our newest user came from advertisements. Because I wasn't even streaming and the new user came in. And in fact, guys, in general, check this out really quick. This will be a little tangent, but check this out. Look at these users. People look at there's more and more green starting to show up. As opposed to maybe let's go back a couple pages. Look, there's nobody active here really. There was 2 people active there. There's nobody active there. Now it might be just because they just signed up and that's why they seem to be active. But anyway, they like these people aren't they signed up on the 10th. What's today? The 12th. So they're 48 hours old. Point is, we're getting more and more green people, which is what we need, which is exactly what we need. It's pretty sizable progress, and we got paid advertisements out there, guys. We trust me. We're let's see how much we've spent on advertisements quick, just for fun. Ready? I don't even know how to look, dude. I got my guy doing this for me. Let me see if I can see how much I spent. Where the hell is it? Log in. Gotta log in with Facebook. Oh God, I have no idea how to do that. Aliens, correct. Oh, come on, Brent. Plus, I don't know. It doesn't matter. We probably spent a couple bucks. We probably spent under $5. I can probably look on my phone. Screw it. Where are you advertising to? It's through Facebook, I think, and we might be doing Google. I don't know if he did Google or not. Let me see if he did Google. Yeah, we have a live Google ad. We've had 0 clicks and we've spent $0 on Google. So, I mean, he's only allocated $250 a day. So I wonder if there's 2 campaigns. Oh, there's 2 campaigns. Because one's Android and one's iOS. I see it. We got a notification. Yeah, so there's literally no activity. When did these go live? When did these go live? Targeting Canada, United States. I don't know when these went live. Oh, wait. I literally have no idea. Doesn't even matter. How about that? Okay, let's keep cooking. Just kind of cool to see we got some ads out there. So, okay, so so we're hearing common, and then we know, yeah, common. Did you guys see Biden call Zelensky President Putin yesterday? It was just the most shocking thing I've ever seen, dude. That freaking... The dude should be relaxing on a dock somewhere at that age. It's tough to watch, Late Key. No, dude, Late Key, what's crazy is nobody's happy with it. But we don't know what to do. I got no options. I got Old Man 1 or Old Man 2 running. My only hope is that Mr. Beast can turn 45 soon so I can vote for him. Okay. Novus, let's go. Welcome. Major raid alert. Major raid alert. How we doing, Novus? What have you been working on? Welcome in, Raiders. We are working on WebSockets. Have you ever heard of them? Requests, touch, WebSocket.ts. Flutter to React Native. Great transition. Great transition. Glad to have you. What are you working on in Flutter? Export interface WebSocket data. No, we'll call it a WebSocket event. A drum practice app. That's sick. Have you ever heard of Drumeo? I've been watching Drumeo on YouTube. It's a big channel. But one sub channel that they do is they take these famous drummers. No, I'm not a drummer. I'm not a drummer. But I've been watching it. It's so interesting. They've been taking these famous drummers and they give them songs that they've never heard before. And they have them listen to it without the drums in the song. And they have to play the song how they think it should be played. It's really amazing. These artists are so crazy. So anyway, drums are dope. When I'm good and retired, I'll be picking up the drums. I got a long way to go yet. But it's in the plans. Yeah, it's a very great channel. Okay, WebSocket event. I don't know if I've seen it. I play the guitar not well, and definitely less now than I used to. No, I haven't seen this one, Strong. I'll queue it up. I got it queued up for later. Okay. Anyway, that's dope. Is your drumming app released yet, or is it still in the early development phases? Okay, so WebSocket event type, we'll call it. Type. Okay. Then that way we can go to WebSocket and call this type WebSocket event type. And of course it's not gonna give me the import. Why would it? The Enter Sandman one was pretty dope, dude. I loved that one because Constance. It's released 2 years already. You're close to becoming rich. $30 monthly recurring revenue. Can you drop a link? If you want to, you don't have to, but that's amazing. I think released products are like everything. If it's easy to build an app, but to actually release it and get it out there, that's like outstanding. That's like been my biggest life challenge. I feel like I just had a recent life challenge. I forget what it was freaking building a tutorial. Drumbitious. Hell yeah. How do I get this thing? Here we go, guys. Drumbitious. Not to put you on the spot. I just want to at least give you a Drumbitious practice diary. Is that you? Nice. I just want to give you a 5-star is all. Damn, it looks clean too. Nice job. Damn, look at those cards, guys. Look at those cards, guys. Look at those cards, guys. We've got similar cards. We've got similar cards. There's our cards. Ah, I like how tall yours are. I like how tall yours are. I need to make mine taller. Nice cards. Damn, that's a good looking app. Nice job. Well done. How do I vote? How do I get this thing a 5-star? Sorry for lying that I haven't used it. Boom. Sent. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Us mobile devs got to support each other, you know? I got you. Okay. So, back to WebSockets. I will check out that app later. I'm not going to put you on the spot and run it. But I'm always curious. Okay. Type and then payload. I want an arbitrary payload. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Life will tell us later if that's a good idea or not. Google Scripts server. Okay, so here you go. This one goes out to Akira. You ready for this one, Akira? Web socket service. Check this out. Check this out. Emit fire confetti. So if the room doesn't exist, here's a question I have. Is Socket.io smart? Does it track? Does it keep track of rooms? So for instance, if a user creates a room and then they leave or they turn off the app or whatever, they disconnect, let's call it that. If they disconnect and they're the only one in the room, does the room get dropped? Or is this thing going to be firing events to people? Well, no, it wouldn't. It wouldn't fire an event because there'd be no action. Okay, I don't even care. I literally don't even care. Okay, pay const event of type web socket. Exactly. It won't fire if you don't tell it to fire. So even if the room is sitting there, no one's going to call it. If a type constants, don't you guys just love using enums? Constants, major follow alert. Let's go. Periglis, welcome. Constants dot web socket event type dot fire confetti. And then the payload. Payload, oh, it should have been optional. Why NeoVim versus Vim? Because does that still update strong even on my new server? Outstanding. Whoever wrote that code's a genius. Why NeoVim versus Vim? Because NeoVim's cool. And because the Primogen uses it. He did drugs. He did do drugs. Pop OS. Tommy's grounded, guys. Tommy's grounded. Web I Tommy, I only use the most superior. I only use the most superior operating system in the world. Yeah, nah, never Windows, bro. Never Windows, dude. Guys, one of my greatest regrets of 2023 was buying a Windows machine. What an idiot. You gotta you gotta pay to play, baby. Okay. Mac OS is the best operating system in the world. Okay, okay. This check this out. Here we go. Do you think that's fine? So I'm going to emit event. Let me check. Does that look good? Guys, so I create this event. So this is going to be the general event that always gets sent over. It's basically an enum and then a payload. We're going to call it an event, and it's going to contain the event. I just quit my app. One in chat. Let's go. WebSocket service. All right. So let's add some Logarooskies. Fire. I'll just call it emit. And it's going to take. What is it going to take? Room key and event. This dot emit. Outstanding. Then I can do this console.log emitting event to room key. Dope. Event.type. We'll just do that. All right, guys. How does that look? Emit fire confetti. Dude, Mac is so good. It's just you got to pay $800 a year to be able to maintain usage of it. That's the only downside of Mac, which I choose to pay for now, and I decided. Okay. I can't remember here. Planned habit event handler. Dope. I actually absolutely have mine on a, it's not a loan, it's just on credit. But which I guess is a loan. Is it? Yeah, I guess it's a loan. But the logic is a Mac only lasts 4 years. So take the cost of the Mac, which is roughly $1,000 a year for a state-of-the-art Mac, $4,000 USD for usually the state-of-the-art Mac. You get a state-of-the-art Mac for $4,000 USD. It lasts you 4 years, which turned out to be $1,000 a year, right? But after the 4 years, you sell the your old Mac, and you get back roughly $1,000, which in turn turned that $1,000 a month into $800, or sorry, $1,000 a year into $800 a year, and then you buy a new Mac for $4,000, and then you just repeat that cycle for the rest of your life. Dominic, let's go, dude! Congrats, my friend. Congrats. Akira and anyone else who's over a tier 1 sub, which I think is literally nobody except Akira. I decided to do, guys, so I updated my stream a couple of ways yesterday. I was feeling a little bit bored. I dropped I dropped tier 2 emotes. They're very rare. They're very rare. They're very rare. Hyper rare, some would call them. Okay, let's keep cooking. 11-year-old MacBook Pro in news here. I don't know how that's even possible. Dude, now that's a banger alert. Dominic going tier 2. Now that's a banger alert. Drop those emotes, Dominic. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Outstanding. Actually, hydrate. Oh, hold on. I gotta get my water bottle. Oh, we're golden. It's right here. We're golden. Hiker Tommy. God, why do I feel like I haven't seen you in 100 years? Get out of here, bro. Dude, Dominic, thank you, my friend. Look at Dominic dropping a tier 2 gifted sub, dude. What an absolute legend, dude. We're hooking it up. See? We got to give the people the tiers. We got to give the people the tiers. You know what I mean? Tommy, let's go, dude. I see you sneaking a sub in there. I think you're typing yet. Because it usually doesn't pop up. But my bot picks it up early. But anyway, web socket service dot emit. Isn't that dope? Guys, did you hear it? Listen, I broke my back yesterday trying to get the audio to work. Did you hear it say, "Who do you think you are? I am"? We did it. You didn't hear that? Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Bro. Hold on. Novas, thank you. Do you hear a text to speech? Do you hear TTS anyway? Okay, so you got the TTS. You didn't get the who do you think you are? I am. Novas, thank you so much for the bits, by the way. Thank you for the support. TTS is working. Good. So now, guys, we have TTS. So if you give bits and you type something, it gives TTS. You can do TTS. If someone tries it, you'll have to let me know if it's loud enough over the music, because that's something I can't speak to. Let's go, Akira. Thank you. A well-placed gifted sub. I'm so mad you didn't hear the "Who do you think you are? I am." I spent so much work on that. I'm actually going to look right now because I spent that much work on it. Novus, welcome to the DevDad stream. We got the world's greatest community over here. World's greatest community. All right, we're going to test this, guys. Test subscriber event 1. Do you hear it now? Do you hear it now? Did you hear it then?
Anne-Marie just subscribed.
Did it say, "Who do you think you are? I am"? So why wouldn't it do it when Tommy subbed? Dude, why is this stuff so confusing? Subscriber alert. Who do you think you are? I am. Text options. Elvis. Sounds good. Thank you. That makes me so livid, dude. All I want is for it to say, "Who do you think you are?" I am. No, it's on a sub. It's on a sub. Oh no, there's no TTS minimum amount, and in fact, I dropped the minimum amount so you can test it on 1 bit. And in fact, I actually request somebody does try a few TTSs out, see if the volume is appropriate, see if all that makes sense.
Akirathi Def cheered X1. Will this work?
Did it work? And is it loud enough?
Akirathi Def cheered X1. If it does, it's so over.
Okay, TTS should be a bit louder.
Akirathi Def cheered